Welcome back to 8482 Media. So today I'm just going to quickly go over CapCut regular versus CapCut Pro. There are actually a lot of features that CapCut Pro give you that CapCut just doesn't. So I mean, for example, right? Let's say like I click on this video and then I go to audio, scroll down. There's loudness normalization, enhanced voice. Enhanced voice is a pro feature, and we use it for all of our tutorials where, I have a really expensive microphone, but still, I mean, the audio could be better. So I run it through enhanced voice, and it literally makes my voice sound so professional. And that is a pro feature, right? Then there's vocal isolation. I mean, almost in every category, there's different portions. Like relight is a pro feature, AI movement is a pro feature, camera tracking is a pro feature. When we go to effects, I mean, we have video effects that are also pro, right? So let's go to favorites or maybe trending, right? So light sweep is a pro feature. Diamond halo is a pro feature. And so you are not getting the full capacity of CapCut if you don't get CapCut Pro, and it's only $7.99 a month. So if you guys really are trying to edit, have a better array of tools to edit better, CapCut Pro is your friend. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.